Alright, hey guys, I am super bored and I'm in my guest bathroom right now and I'm gonna do a little makeup tutorial. So I set up a little light and gonna show you guys how I just do a quick little makeup sesh. But when I'm super pale like this, I use Joe Blasco foundation and my color is Olive Beige 3. I've always liked a cream base foundation more than liquid. And then I use this old MAC 180 Kabuki brush. I mean, the key to a good base is always your moisturizer and your serums. And like having good serums that don't pill, it's like the worst. I don't like powder my whole skin because I still have like the contour and everything. I just like to lightly do it and then I go back and really do it. So I am gonna use Conceal Bake Brighten, and my color that I love is number 7. So much gets on the wand that it's like perfection. I always like to kind of bring the concealer down into my laugh lines a little bit. Because I really feel like if you add concealer here, it really kind of helps soften those lines. And I just like to blend. I don't really like to spend a whole lot of time blending, honestly. I know it's the key to like a flawless makeup, but I just don't have the time. Is it PE time?
The PE screen is up the movie theater.
So what are you doing? Are you doing the yoga today?
I'm gonna...
Pokemon yoga?
No, I want to do maybe a Sonic one, or a Pokemon one, or the Elsa one.
Okay. So next I'm gonna bake with the KKW Beauty number 2 bake. And even though this is a little wet on the sponge, like it doesn't bother me that it's a little wet. I kind of keep that on for a second. You know what makes me feel good? And I'm using, and it broke the little spoolie. So I have a little MAC spoolie. This is like my travel kit in here in this guest room. My eyebrows are a mess. What, sweetie? Okay. Okay, Northy.
Can I wash my hands?
Can you do it in the other room? I'm in the middle of something. I don't want to get this all wet, sweetie. I'm hiding in the guest room, you guys. I'm hiding in the guest room because my kids will not leave me alone.
Hey, that's me.
North, can I please just do my little tutorial? It's all I want to do is one little fun thing for myself. Okay. I'm going to use our contour stick, the KKW Beauty Contour Stick in medium. And since I'm super pale, I'll pretty much just use the lighter color. So then I get to blending. I'm gonna wet my sponge really quick and add the powder on it. So you just kind of push it in. Okay, I am going to just wipe my powder off using this Surratt Beauty eyelash curler. It is the best. What I like to do is, since I did the cream contour, I am going to use this palette. This is the medium contour palette. I'll just use the lighter color contour since I'm super pale and just kind of go over it. I feel like it just sets it, just makes me feel, I always like to take a drop and like put it under my nose for some reason. My skin has been looking really good. Even though I have like a few blemishes, I think I've just been overdoing it. So this is a Shu Amora 14 brush, and I love this color highlighter. It's just really subtle. I like to add it there too. You guys, if you haven't already gotten my blush palettes, I think I'll use my shimmer blush today. I love the middle one. I think pink blush just makes you look awake and just youthful. What I do is I always just take contour and I'll mix the two and just kind of go over my eye. Since it's contour, you can kind of like blend it back into your nose. I think this just like gives a little bit of definition. I don't really have my brushes with me, just my little travel brush in this room, and I have this tiny little Charlotte Tilbury one, and I just dip it right into the contour palette and just go under my eye. I always need to shade under my eye. And then if I want that extra shimmer, which I'll use like the lighter pink one, just to kind of add a little bit. Now I'm gonna show you guys something so cute that's not out yet. But I love minis, and so I'm making some minis. A little tiny mini KKW Beauty Mascara. Oh my God, is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? I don't know if I've said this before, but my dad used to always walk by me because I lived, you know, at his house, and my bathroom door would be open while I was putting my makeup on. And he would always say, I bet you can't close your mouth when you put on your mascara. But for some reason with this mini, I can. Now lips. Oh, you know what? I do like to kind of re-powder just a little bit. So I just will powder there, a little bit under. I do love a good setting spray. I love Tasha. Tasha gives you like more of a glow. Am I overdoing it? Okay, now my favorite lip combo is Nude 1.5. Do you guys notice when, I can always tell who does my makeup by the shape of my lips. Mary gives this beautiful pout. Ariel gives this like lip lifting thing where he fills in the Cupid's bow right here. And then Maria likes my lips smaller, like regular. I need to sharpen. But every night I have at least 2 kids with me, either both girls, Salma's in a crib, but I'll either have Shy and Nora or Saint and Nora. They're just me and Saint. Well, we all are quarantined. Okay, so I'll use Nude 1.5. Which lip combo will I do today? Do I want matte, which then would be 90s Icon maybe? Oh, I love our matte lipsticks. Not too peachy. Last step, very important step, is brighten. I love to brighten up under my eyes just a little bit. I think I'll use Brighten 2. I usually use Brighten 1, but because I feel like I did such a good job blending, which is kind of rare, I don't think I need as white, but this sets it all and brightens it. This is the key to like the youthful, like. All right, so that was a quick KKW Beauty, mostly using KKW Beauty products, Glam, in my guest room, quarantine glam, just to go to the kitchen to get harassed by my kids and on how to do their homework. I at least feel honestly good about myself that I haven't stayed in my pajamas all day and that I actually got up and got dressed and put on some normal clothes and put on some makeup. It really does make you feel good about yourself every once in a while. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed your quick little KKW Beauty social distancing glam session. Looks kind of cute. All right, I'm ready to go to my living room.